existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Top 6 reasons why every successful business owner needs Propel-ai Kit right now. Get 120 power-packed AI tools for your business growth with no huge investment. Stop paying huge monthly fees to your existing third-party platforms. Get 84 million premium stock media assets to convert more visitors into buyers. Our beta testers got real results like we showed above. No monthly fees, pay once and use forever. Zero risk purchase, get ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. Propel-ai Kit happily replaces tons of expensive apps that charge like crazy. Email marketing apps. Auber $20 per m. GetResponse $13 per m. MailChimp a $13 per m. ActiveCampaign a $15 per m. Video creation apps. Biteable a $99 per m. Animaker $20 per m. Wave.video $20 per m. Canva $13 per m. Filmorigo $8 per m. Adobe Creative $10 per m. Push notification apps. Airship a $99 per m. Pushbot $29 per m. PushAlert $12 per m. Content creation apps. Grammarly a $12 per m. SE ranking $29 for 15 articles/m. Hemingway $20 per m. Creator.ai a $25 per m. RYTR $15 per m. Image creation apps. Canva $15 per m. Illustrator $21 per m. iStock $65 per m. And these are just a handful that we've mentioned. Propel-ai Kit replaces tons of other apps that charge a fortune. Stop using age-old AI tools that never gave results. Start using Propel-ai Kit and revolutionize the digital marketing space. Propel-ai Kit comes loaded with 120 business-boosting tools that have been crafted to perfection, keeping every success-hungry business owner in mind. All you need to do is grab your copy and be on the fast track to success without spending a fortune or wasting time doing everything yourself. Also, just in case you forgot, Propel-ai Kit helps you create 100+ passive income sources with just 3 clicks from your mouse. Yeah, you got that correct. By grabbing your copy for just peanuts of the price today, you can open up 100+ passive income sources and grab your share from the huge artificial intelligence industry without doing any grunt work yourself. Stop living under any fear or confusion. Use Propel-ai Kit to unlock unlimited possibilities with just the click of a button only. Pay off your loans. Shop without worrying a bit. Purchase your dream car. Quit the rat race. Give luxurious life to your family. Get a higher social recognition. Travel freely across the world. Live without any restrictions. Propel-ai Kit makes growing your business fast, easy, and 100 heavable. With Propel-ai Kit, forget spending big dollars on expensive and outdated artificial intelligence tools. Zero monthly or yearly fee. Zero hidden costs. Zero installation hassles. Zero profit sharing. Zero learning curve. Zero tech or marketing skills. Act now and get 12 fast action bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Fast Action Bonus 1. 50 DFY ChatGPT4 sales email. Creation prompts. Fast action bonus 2. 50 DFY ChatGPT4 high converting. SMS prompts. Fast action bonus 3. 50 DFY ChatGPT4 WhatsApp message prompts. Fast action bonus 4. 50 ChatGPT DFY templates for quotes.